Hi, this is Rob. I'm going to talk about the GE Profile Opal Countertop Nugget Ice Maker. Remember, if you get any value from this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in buying this, please use the Amazon links below. This is an ice maker that sits on your countertop. Here are the measurements. It weighs 44 pounds. It is 17 inches high, 14 inches deep, and 10.5 inches wide. But this part is a detachable accessory side water tank, so if you don't use this accessory tank, then the ice machine is about 7 inches wide. The owner's manual says you need to allow additional 3 inches of free space on the sides and the back when this ice maker is operating on your countertop. It can make 24 pounds of ice per day. That's about 1 pound per hour. It begins to make ice in 15 to 30 minutes. The ice pellets are about 1/2 inches long and 1/4 inch in diameter. They are soft enough to chew but hard enough not to water down your drink. The major parts of the ice maker: the ice maker, ice scoop, an ice bin, a drip tray, and a side tank accessory. The side tank accessory is an extra water reserve. This is good if you're going to have a party and you need to make extra ice cubes. The side tank accessory attaches on either side of the machine with magnets. How does the ice maker work? Before you first use the ice maker, you need to clean and sanitize it. The owner's manual gives good instructions on how to do this. Fill the main water reservoir with water up to the max fill line. Plug in the ice maker. Make sure the mode switch on the back is set to ice. Then touch the display button to start the ice maker. The display ring on the button will flash green to indicate that the ice maker is on. Then the display ring on the button will transition to a falling white color. This means that the machine is making ice. The ice maker will produce its first ice cubes in about 15 to 30 minutes and will continue to produce ice until the ice bin is full or until the ice maker runs out of water, whatever comes first. You can attach the side tank accessory for extra water. The owner's manual is good on how to do this. The display ring on the display button will also indicate other things. A solid white ring means that the ice bin is full and that the machine is no longer making ice. The display ring is switching blue. This means that the machine needs water. There is a cleaning mode to this ice maker that many people like. When in cleaning mode, a pulsing yellow on the display ring means that the machine is in cleaning mode. A rotating yellow on the display ring means that the machine is rinsing. A slowly falling white on the display means that the machine is defrosting. Do not turn off the machine while defrosting. It takes about 30 minutes for the machine to defrost. Okay, that is it. I hope you enjoy the GE Profile Opal Countertop Nugget Ice Maker.